Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. So our latest video is going to be a short one, and this is on the Spyderco Stovepipe. The part number is C260TIP. This is a great knife. It's titanium. The steel blade is CPM 20CV. It has titanium clip. And the scales, backspacer, and the blade all have a stone-washed finish, which looks fantastic. And this knife cost $448 with free shipping at PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Please make sure to subscribe, like this video. That helps us out a lot, and thank you for watching.